Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be opening up the Erin Condren Winter Seasonal Surprise Box. I just got it in the mail probably about 30 minutes ago. I found it on my porch when I got home. And when I purchased my seasonal surprise box, I had also ordered a bunch of additional items. So it came in a larger box and I was quite confused about what it was because I didn't want to open it up if it was a Christmas gift. And then when I read the shipping label, it said Erin Condren. So when I opened it up, I found my seasonal surprise box. And then also all of the items that I had purchased were in this cute little bag. So I'm gonna go through these in a different video with you guys. But for today, we're opening up the seasonal surprise box. Erin Condren releases seasonal surprise boxes every quarter, and each box has its own theme. This one being the "'Tis the EC Season." So it's just got black and rose gold. And then also included in the seasonal surprise box is a newsletter that includes a 20% off coupon code. So right away, you'll notice that this seasonal surprise box is a little bit different and a little bit special simply because it comes with this glass mug. And this mug says, "She designed a life she loves." And this is a quote from one of their designs that they use on their planners and throughout their stationery. I do love this quote, and this is a nice little mug. It's got a cute little asterisk on the inside that is teal. And this will just be a fun little mug to either take to work or have on my desk here at home. Next up, we've got this little guy. And I believe it is a candle. Oh, it smells very fresh. What is the scent? A balanced blend of grapefruit, raspberries, and ginger. So this will be a nice little candle just to burn. Next up, we have these jumbo paper clips. And it looks like there are 4 in this box. So they're just these giant paper clips. These will be fun to have around on my desk, either again at home or here at work. Next up, I see some metallic markers. So they've got a pen that is gold and another one that is silver. Oh, I'm sorry, they say gold and platinum on the back. Oh, that's kind of fun. So you push down on the top to get the marker out, and then on, what is this part of the pen called? The part that you like clip? So the clip part of the marker, you just push the top piece, and then the marker shoots back up into the pen. So that's cool. I'm really liking these. These are probably going to be really useful and handy when it comes to writing the names and writing on name tags for Christmas presents. A lot of times I'll either write directly on the wrapping paper or we'll get gift tags and we'll write on the gift tags. But these will be perfect because it kind of matches our decor. Next up, I see a Jot Your Thought journal, and on the cover it says 1 year equals 365 opportunities. I love the Jot Your Thought journals. They're perfect just to toss in a bag and keep around the house, wherever you might need to jot your thoughts. These are perfect to have handy. And I just like the saying on this one. It's very inspirational. It makes you a little bit more motivated to get those goals and accomplish those opportunities that you come across. Next up, it looks like we just have some stickers, and they just have some fun sayings and stars on them. Oh, and then on the back, there are some really fun, colorful stars as well. I love getting these exclusive sticker sheets. It just makes the surprise box worthwhile, getting something special that not everybody can get their hands on. And then I believe the last thing in the box are these gift labels. So they've included a sticker sheet of 12 gift labels, and they just have wreaths and then a Christmas tree as well. And the ones with the Christmas tree say "handmade with love," which is really sweet. So these will come in handy when it comes to wrapping gifts as well. All right, so that is everything in the box. I wanna go through everything with you guys and just kind of point out which items are sneak peeks and which ones are exclusive items to this box. So the metallic markers are a sneak peek, so you will be able to purchase these on the Erin Condren website. Next up, we've got the candle that is an exclusive and in-store only item. So the candle will only be available in the surprise box, or if you have an Erin Condren store location near you, you'll probably be able to pick it up in the store as well. Next up on the list are the metallic gold paper clips. These are a sneak peek item, so you will be able to snag these on the website if you really want them. Next up is the ceramic mug. So this is an exclusive item to the box, but yet again, you should be able to pick it up at an Erin Condren store location if you have one near you. I'm not sure what the quantities are like, so they might go out pretty fast. But if you want the mug, you live near a store and you didn't get the surprise box, you might want to hop over there and see if you can get your hands on one. Next up, we've got the Petite Journal, and again, it's an exclusive item and it's not available in the stores, so you will only be able to get this Jot Your Thought journal with the seasonal surprise box. So I'm sorry to anybody that was wanting one, but it is exclusive to the box. Oh, I totally skipped the stickers. So the 2 sticker sheets are an exclusive item as well. So along with the Jot Your Thought journal, the stickers will only be available in the seasonal surprise box. And then lastly, we have the holiday gift label set. And again, this is an exclusive item, so this is only available in the box. But like I mentioned earlier, all these exclusive items are what make the seasonal surprise box worth its money and so special. Real quick before I go, I want to mention that the seasonal surprise boxes are reversible, and they usually have a fun quote on the inside that will be the cover when you flip the box inside out. And this one says, "Every day is a fresh start." So I really love this quote. They've used this in other places on their website and in their designs, but this is a really nice quote, and it's a good reminder to start every day fresh. But you can take out the extra packaging that's in here and then turn the box inside out and use it for storage, or maybe to put an item or a gift in here this holiday season when you're gifting gifts. Anyway, I just wanted to share the seasonal surprise box with you guys so you could see what was in it for this winter. Like always, I just want to mention that if you are new to Erin Condren and would like to purchase something on their website, you can get a $10 credit when you sign up with my link, and when you do that, I also get a $10 credit as well. So I'll make sure to pop the link up here on the screen for you guys. But other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.